There's a hidden key on your keyboard almost no one talks about. A single press transforms your workspace. No extra software, no downloads, just one button, F11. Today, I'll show you why this forgotten function key might be the most underrated focus tool you've never used, and how it taps directly into your brain's attention systems to help you study longer, deeper, and without distraction. Let's begin. The F11 key activates full screen mode. That's it. But what it does to your brain is far more interesting. In full screen, your browser or document expands to cover the entire screen, removing tabs, bookmarks, notifications, and even the taskbar. And by eliminating these visual distractions, you're also removing something psychologists call attentional residue. Your brain burns energy managing what's visible, even if you're not clicking it. Every tab, icon, or notification bar is a doorway for distraction. When you hit F11, you shut every door, forcing your brain into single-tasking mode. This is the same logic behind minimalist study environments, and it's now just one keystroke away. When distractions disappear, something powerful happens. Your brain shifts from its default mode network, where it wanders, to its task-positive network, responsible for deep focus. This shift increases dopamine stability, meaning you're more likely to stay on task and less likely to fall into random scrolling or tab hopping. It also reduces cognitive fatigue because you're no longer wasting micro-energy resisting distractions you can see. In other words, your screen becomes a digital white room. And unlike other productivity tools, this one doesn't require any setup, no extensions, no apps, just a reflex. Hit F11 before every deep work session. Here's how to integrate it into your routine. Before you study, open only the document or video you need. Close everything else. Then, tap F11. Now your mind only sees the task. No tabs, no time, no temptation. If you're watching a lecture, F11. Writing an essay, F11. Using an online flashcard tool, F11. The fewer choices your eyes have, the faster your brain locks in. To exit, just press F11 again, but only when you're done. You will click off. It's inevitable. No system, no shortcut, not even F11 can make you immune to distraction forever. But that's not the point. The point is what you do next. Most people stay off track once they slip, but the ones who actually make progress, they build the habit of returning. So when you catch yourself drifting, don't panic. Just come back. Press F11, reset the moment, because focus isn't about never leaving. It's about always returning with purpose.